Two giants of AI writing, trusted by millions, but only one can take the crown. Which one really delivers? On the left, ChatGPT, the conversational AI powerhouse from OpenAI. And on the right, Copyai, built for marketers who want fast, consistent content workflows. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each area gets scored, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner. The verdict for 2025 might surprise you. Okay, first off, let me give you a quick overhead look. Here's the mind map of everything we'll cover. Use cases, AI model and tech, brand voice and customization, workflow and automation, pricing, integrations, ease of use, and finally, quality and reliability. That's 8 categories. So yeah, we're going deep. All right, first up, use cases. So ChatGPT is kind of the jack of all trades here, right? You can use it for general writing, research, brainstorming ideas, coding, even analyzing data. Honestly, if you've got a random question or need a quick explainer, it's super handy. Only thing, there's not like marketing templates built in. Now, Copy.ai, this one leans really hard into marketing and short form stuff. Think ad copy, tweets, LinkedIn posts. If you're trying to pump out social content fast, it's made for you. But yeah, beyond marketing, it gets a bit limited. So really, ChatGPT is just more versatile, which is kind of nice if you're not laser focused on marketing. Next up, AI model and tech. So ChatGPT, you get that direct line to OpenAI's best models. GPT-4, GPT 3.5, plus Dolly if you want to whip up images for fun. And because it's OpenAI, it's always getting little upgrades behind the scenes. But real talk, the free version is just GPT 3.5. So if you want that fancy GPT-4 action, it'll cost you. Now, with Copy.ai, it actually still taps into those big models like GPT-4 and some others. And there's this emphasis on turning AI into automated workflows. It's cool, but you don't get much transparency about what's actually powering each feature. So both are solid, but ChatGPT is just like more obviously powerful. All right. Let's talk about brand voice and customization. ChatGPT lets you tweak instructions or build little custom GPTs. A lot of potential, but you kind of have to know your way around prompts. There's no easy, make it sound like our brand button. But oh, here's something cool with Copy.ai. You actually upload brand tone samples, and then it kind of learns your style. There's style presets, templates, and outputs feel way more consistent for teams. Sure, not as crazy advanced as, say, Jasper, but honestly, for most folks, super practical. So for getting your brand's vibe locked in, Copy.ai wins here. Quick little fun fact. Did you know ChatGPT was literally the first conversational AI that blew up, but Copy.ai was right there flipping the switch on using AI for hardcore marketing workflows? Yeah, these two sort of pioneered totally different vibes in the AI space. Now, moving to workflow and automation. This one's actually kind of wild. With ChatGPT, you can definitely automate things through the API or tinker with plugins, but it's pretty manual. There isn't a built-in workflow builder or anything, so you'll end up doing a lot of prompting yourself. But Copy.ai, they're all about those automated multi-step workflows. Drop in a document, hit go, and it spits out a bunch of ready-to-use stuff. Setting up repeatable tasks is honestly much easier over there. It's just built for marketers who want to go fast. So Copy.ai definitely takes it in this category. All right, pricing. Definitely something we all care about. ChatGPT scores points with its genuinely free version. Okay, it's GPT 3.5, but still. If you want GPT-4, it's $20 a month. No team pricing, and heavy users might hit some API limits. Copy.ai starts free too, but if you upgrade for pro features, it's $36 a month. So yeah, it's kinda on the pricier side, especially compared to the value you get from ChatGPT. More suited for bigger teams and heavy marketers, but for most people, ChatGPT feels way more accessible. Integrations! This is where things get slightly nerdy. ChatGPT is super developer-friendly. APIs, plugins, even web browsing if you're on Pro. What you don't get are direct marketing tool integrations, like posting straight to socials. Meanwhile, Copy.ai is much more hooked into the marketing world. Social media, automation tools, uploading info bases, all that. If you want to plug in your docs, it's pretty seamless. But yeah, for geeky stuff, ChatGPT goes further. Honestly, it's a tie. Both have their strengths. Ease of use. Let's be honest. Nobody wants to fight with their tools, right? So ChatGPT has this super clean chat box, easy to start chatting. But if you want it to do something specific, you'll need some prompt engineering skills. And there's a bit of a learning curve for power users. Now, Copy.ai, you get templates, prompt libraries, ready-to-roll workflows. It's kind of made for anyone who hates fiddling. Perfect for non-techie business folks. You might need to edit stuff for the best quality, but honestly, Copy.ai is just easier for most folks. Quality and reliability. This one's personally my favorite, because if the AI sounds weird, nothing else matters. ChatGPT sets the bar here. It's just consistently clear, creative, and pretty accurate. Seriously, unless you're fact-checking deep science, it almost always nails it. That said, you can get some random facts that aren't totally true, so watch out. Copy.ai is solid for emails and ad copy, and it actually steps up if you give more instructions. But sometimes stuff comes out generic, and you'll need to polish it up before shipping. So, ChatGPT definitely wins for straight-up quality. All right, so if you squint at the scoreboard, the winner in versatility, output quality, and pricing is ChatGPT, sneaking ahead in most categories. But hey, if you live and breathe marketing, Copy.ai is super strong wherever workflows and brand voice matter. If you need super broad, creative, or technical content, seriously, ChatGPT is the move. But if most of your grind is turning out marketing content and keeping brand voice locked, Copy.ai is like your little AI intern. They each kind of own their lane. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor, bookmark this page. I'll be sharing more on the latest AI tools this year, so stay tuned.